Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 6, that is family and festivals. Now we discuss first is family. There are two types of family. One is nuclear family, second one is joint family. So, what is nuclear family? Only parents and their children live together in the same house. Look at the picture. Only parents and their children. Parents here is your mother and your father and their children live together in the same house. Next one is joint family. What is joint family? Grandparents, parents, siblings. Siblings is brother and sisters, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together in the same house. Look at the picture. This is the joint family. Now, here you look that some kids live either with their father or their mother. Some kids live with their father or with their mother. It is called single parent family. Some kids live either with their father. This type of father is called a single father, or if the kids live with their mother is called single mother. This family is single parent family. Next we discuss my family. This girl says this is her family. So first generation is grandfather and grandmother. This is the first generation. It has there has two sons. One is my father and one is her uncle and sister, and their sister are aunt. This is the three. So now we discuss father and my mother. Then I have a brother and me. So this is an nuclear family, which I tell you, parents and their only parents and their children live together in the same house is nuclear family. So this is the nuclear family, parents and their children. Now we discuss father and uncle. Uncle and aunt and their son and daughter. Son is our cousins and daughter also cousins. So father, mother, uncle, and these are the second generation, and brothers, me, cousins, all are third generation. This is the third generation. So this is all our joint families. This is the joint family. Next is here show you members of a family have common name. This is their surname. So student, everyone has your surname. Members of a family have a common name. This is their surname. Members, next one is members of a family resemble each other and may have similar habits too. Members of a family resemble each other and may have similar habits too. Next one is on special occasion and festival we meet other members to our extended families on special occasion. Next is traditional and customs are passed on from one generation to another. So traditions and customs are passed from one generation to another. Look at this is the first generation. Their tradition and customs passes, their second generation also passes the third generation. This thing. And we play Indoor and outdoor games like carom, ludo, football, etc. with family and friends. In the occasions, we play with our family and friends. And here we discuss some festivals. Festivals can be can be national or religious. There are two type of festivals. One is national or religious. First we discuss national festivals. There they are celebrated by all Indians. We have three national festivals. One is Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These three national festivals we celebrate. Next one is religious festival. In our country, people follow different religions. The festivals they celebrate are called religious festival. Example is Diwali, Dasera, Christmas, Gurudwara, Eid-ul Fitr, Holi, etc. This is the religious festivals we celebrate. So there are two types of festival. One is national festival and religious. Second one is religious festival. National festival is Independence Day. It is 15 August. Second one is Republic Day, that is 26th January, and third one is Gandhi Jayanti, that is 2nd October. And religious festival in our country, so many peoples and different religious live. The festival they celebrate are called religious festival. Example is Diwali, Dasera, Christmas, Gurudwara, Holi, etc. Now we discuss few practice questions. First question is, which option shows all the indoor activities? Option A, Ludo, Carom, cycling. Option B, chess, table tennis, cricket. Option C, football, watching television, dancing. Option D, Carom, chess, table tennis. Which option is correct? Option D. This is the correct. All are indoor activities. Next question. The given picture shows which occasion being celebrated in the family. This is the picture. Options are birthday celebration. Option B, Ganesh Chaturthi. Option C, wedding. Option D, housewarming party. Which option is correct? Option A, that is birthday celebration. Next question. My friend Roshni Verma's father calls her Manu lovingly. Verma is her dash name and Manu is her dash name. So options are middle, nickname. Option B, middle name. Option C, sir, nickname. Option D is sir, sir and middle name. Which option is correct? Option C. That is, you know that a surname is a family name common to all members of a family, and a nickname is an informal name given to us by close people like parents, grandparents, etc. So here we write this surname, and in this blank space we write nickname. Next question. What is the name of the Samdi of our Rashtrapita? What is the name of the Samadhi of our Rashtrapita? The options are Rajghat. Option B, Vijay Ghat. Option C, Shahid Palak, and option C is Shakti Sthal. Which option is correct? Option A. You know who is our Rashtrapita? Our Rashtrapita name is Mahatma Gandhi. So our Rashtrapita is Mahatma Gandhi. His Samadhi is at as Rajghat. And you know that his birthday is 2nd October. It is also a national holiday. Next question. Ali is very happy today. He is wearing new clothes and is enjoying mithai ceremony made by his mother. Today is dash. Options are Christmas, option B is Eid, option C is Holi, and option D is Diwali. Which option is correct? Option B, Eid. Next question. Pawan is married to Vani. Vani is dash of Pawan. Which option is correct? Option A, finance. Options are finance. B is wife. C is sister. And D is mother. Which option? Wife. Because two people married to each other are called spouse and female is called wife, while the male is called husband. Next question. Select the odd one out among the following. Options are Ludo, B is Carom, C is chess, and D is hockey. Which option is correct? Option D, that is hockey. Because you know that these three options are indoor games, but hockey is an outdoor games. Next question. Hindus greet each other with the folded hands gesture as shown here. This is the picture. What holds true regarding this greeting? It means namaste, which means I bow to you. It expresses deep respect. And 3 is it express deep sorrow. And 4 is it means namaste, which literally means happy journey. Which one? Now the options. 1 and 2 only. Option B 1 and 3 only. Option C is 3 and 4 only. And D is 2 and 4 only. Which option is correct? Option A, that is 1 and 2 only. Next question. Which of the following benefits of outdoor activities? So, one is they help in bonding with people. Next, they give physical benefits and help in improving health. 3 is they increase stress and challenges of life. 4 is they increase awareness and concern about our duties to develop a healthy environment. Now the options. Option A is 1 and 1, 2 and 4 only. 1, 2 and 4. Option B 2 and 3 only. 2 and 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3. And last one is 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are. So which option is correct? Option A. This is 1, 2 and 4. One is they help bonding with people. 2 is they give physical benefits and help in improving health. 4 is they increase awareness and concern about our duties to develop a healthy environment. This option is correct. Next question. Which of these shows your contribution as helping hand in your family? This is the picture A, B, C and D. D is all of these. So which option is correct? Option D, all of these. These all are contribution as a helping hand in your family. Next question is match the column 1 and with the column 2. On A, B, C, D. In the column 1, A is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, B is Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Column 2, 1 is Children's Day, 2 is National Unity Day, 3 is Maitri's Day and 4 is Teacher's Day. So which option is correct? Here is the option A, B, C and D. This is the option. Now option D is correct. A 4. A is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. S Dr. S full form is Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. His date of birth we celebrate as a Teacher's Day. B 3. Here is Mahatma Gandhi is Maitri's Day. C is 1 Children's Day. Jawaharlal Nehru birthday we celebrate as a Children's Day. And last one is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This birthday we celebrate as a National Unity Day. Next question. Mr. X wears turban and is a follower of Guru Nanak Dev. He goes to a dash to her to offer prayers. This is the option. This is the A, B, C, D. So which option is correct? Option A, because Mr. X is a Sikh, as Sikhs wear also turban and follow Guru Nanak Dev, and Sikhs go to Gurudwara to offer prayer. This is the Gurudwara. This picture A is Gurudwara. Next question. Rohan made 4 groups, each with 2 activities of similar kind, but he made one mistake while pairing activities in one of the groups. Select the incorrect group. You need to select. So here is the option. Option A is Ludo and Carom. Option B is table tennis, polo. Option C billiards and chess. D is cricket and football. So option B is correct. That incorrect. That is table tennis and polo. Because table tennis is an indoor game while polo is an outdoor game. That's why it is incorrect option. Incorrect group. Next question. Refer to the given conversation among 4 people. 4 people and find out one who is correct. Option A is Amit. Amit say that Rishi is my niece. He is the only one son of my sister. Next one is Soil. I love talking to my aunt, Mrs. Sharma. She is the sister of my grandmother. Option C, Arushi. My daughter has a cousin who is the son of my uncle. And option D is my Ria says that my friend has sisters only. Thus, his children do not have any real uncle. So which option is correct? Option D. The son of sister is called nephew, and grandmother's sister is also called grandmother. The son of mother's uncle is uncle, not cousin. Next question. Identify the festival being celebrated in the given picture. This is the picture. and select the option which correctly tells how people celebrate this festival. Option A, they decorate trees with sweets and toys. Option B, they go to the mosque to offer prayers and eat mithai sewani. And the next option C, they serve leisure in the community. Option D, they throw colored water on one another. Option B, that is, they go to the mosque to offer prayers and eat mithai. So, next question. The effigies of 2% are burnt every year along with Ravan on Dasera. Who are these 2% and what are their relation with Ravan? Option A is Kumbhakarna, brother, and Meghnad is son. Option B, Meghnad is brother and Kumbhakarna is son. Bidhishan and Kumbhakarna both are brothers. And option D is Kumbhakarna and Meghnad both brothers. So, option A is the answer. Next question. Megha and Hers are non-siblings who have common great grandparents but not common grandparents. They are option A, first cousin, option B, second cousins, option C, step cousins, and D is none of these. Option B is the answer, second cousins. Next question. Here in the chart you saw that M, Kartik and Bini, they married, then they birth Rakesh, Sudesh, Sweta. Now Rakesh and Rima married, then birth Reshmi and Sohan, their son. Here Sweta and Rohan are married, then birth Kive and Gini. Here M is the stands for marriage. Now the question is, study the above family tree and select the correct option regarding it. Option A, Rakesh and Sudesh are cousins. Option B, Gini and Sudesh this auntie. Option C, KV is Rakesh niece. Option D, Soham is Kartik's son-in-law. Which option is correct? Option C, that is Kavya is Rakesh niece. Next question. Study the given family tree of Sanvi. Select the correct option. This is the family tree of Sanvi. Here square shows that man and circle shows that woman. So now options are Sanvi has two cousins, and B is Sanvi has two brothers and one sister. Option C, among the two aunts of Sanvi, only one is married. And option D is Sanvi's grandfather has three daughters and one son. So option C is correct. Among the two aunts of Sanvi, only one is married. Next question and last question is, refer the given word job table. This is the table. Find out the boxes which give. A is name of the festival that marks birthday of Jesus Christ. B is name of the festival of colors. Here A and B. Option A 1, 4, 7 Under the B, 5, 6, 12. Option B, under the A, 9, 7, 10. In B is 2 and 12. Option C, under the A, 6, 11. And under the B, 9, 7. Option D, under the A, 2, 3, 5. And B is 7 and 8. So, answer is B. That 9, 7. Here 9, then 7. CHRISTM. And 10 is AS. This is the Jesus' birthday festival is Christmas. Name the festival of colors. 2 HO and 12 is LI. CHRISTMAS. This is the thing. This is the A written here. Birthday of Jesus Christ. And B is HOLI. Holy. This is the B. Name of the color. Festival of colors. This is the thing. So option B is correct. So this is the complete today lesson. Next day we'll start next chapter.